Everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to install CUDA and cuDNN for running local AI models or machine learning in general. So let's just start. First, we're gonna open our browser. Here we're gonna go to the Toolkit archive, just like so. And here you'll see this. Click on that, and we're also gonna go cuDNN archive. Click on this first link. Just click on that. Okay, so we have arrived firstly into the CUDA Toolkit archive. So to determine what version do you need, you will definitely go into the thing you want to install. Let's say, for example, text generation with UI. Text generation. Where is it? There you go. Let's say you want to use this Ubabua text generation. So you might scroll down and then find like this. So this will say you'll need CUDA 11.7. So obviously we're gonna install the 11.7. Right here. This is the version. Click that. We have arrived here, and obviously select your operating system. I'm using Windows, so Windows x86. I'm using Windows 11. And go with the network, obviously, and click on here, download. And you could go local, but this is big, which is 2.5. I'd rather go with the exe network. So download that, and let me just put this in my folder. Go to install. Just download that. And next we're gonna go with the cuDNN archive, and you will definitely be asked to log in. So just log in using your NVIDIA account. Don't worry, it's free. You don't need to enter any payment or whatever. And since we are downloading 11.7, which is the 11 series, we'll go with this, the latest for CUDA 11.X. Click that to expand, and then download the local installer for Windows zip. Download that also to that folder. And since it's downloading, now we wait. Okay, so both of the files has been installed. So let me go open that. There we go. We have both of these files. So now we're gonna install this. So first of all, you do want to make sure that you have your drivers updated. So I'm gonna open my GeForce Experience and then go into the drivers tab. And as you can see here, I have my game ready driver updated. So this now says express installation, so I can just close that. And now we're gonna install CUDA. So first we're gonna install this. Double click that. Double click the network exe. Obviously click yes. Click OK. Let's wait for that to open. So click agree and continue, click express, and then click next, and that will install. But I'm not gonna do that because I already have this installed. So let me just cancel that. And after you install that, we're gonna go here. Let me open this, and you should see this file. So simply just right click, extract that, extract here. Okay, that's extracted, and we can just delete both of these. And we have this folder right here. So open up a new file explorer, go into C drive, and then program files, I'm pretty sure. NVIDIA, oh yeah, okay. So C program files, NVIDIA GPU computing toolkit, CUDA. And since we installed 11.7, so we're gonna open this 11.7, and in this we're gonna open folder that we extracted. So here, select all. Let's just cut that and go here again. Just paste it here. And if it says something like this, which you probably won't, just replace the files in the destination. And if this appears, then continue. Make sure that is checked. Alright, so we're just gonna close that. Close both of those. And the final step, you're gonna go open system environment, make sure this is like this, click that, and go here, environment variables. Then on the system variables, you should see that CUDA path 11.7 here. So by default is you might open this. Yeah, I should see this or like that. Just click edit text, and here I will paste the one that I have, but don't worry, I will put this in the link description. And I guess you can open Notepad. Oops, let me run that. Obviously, make a new path, a new file Notepad, and then enlarge that, and then make sure to change the v11 something something to the corresponding version that you downloaded. So here I'm gonna change this to v11.7. Alright, then Control A, Control X. Let me paste it in here. Edit text, and then select all, paste it, and click OK. Click OK, and yeah, that's it. We are done. Simple. And it is recommended that you restart your PC after doing all of this. So go ahead and restart your PC. But since I already have that installed, I'm not going to do that. But since this is the first time that you install this, then you definitely recommend it to restart your PC. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.